I gotta measure and see what we gotta do.
There you go.
That looks good. I just gotta dig that out.
Yeah.
They're calling for a lot of rain this weekend. So normally this all fills up with water and it runs out and washes all this away. So I figured instead of a ditch here all the time, I got that and I'm gonna just bury it so the water can run out. And I have a nice area here to drive across. I have an area to drive across here and I can hopefully make a nice smooth road. Here's our hole. Do you think that's deep enough?
Yep.
Might-
We will get caught.
So almost need a longer pipe, huh?
Yeah. You told that I found it.
All right, so my pipe isn't long enough. So I'm trying to improvise with some cinder blocks. I think it'll still work, because it's not like a huge amount of water. I mean, it is when we get a downpour, but that way it should still let it drain down and through and come across. And I can bury it and not have to worry about crushing anything. And then it should come down through and naturally run out where it usually runs out. I'll have to dig that out by hand to help let the water in. But if it doesn't work, I always got that pipe to put in, but I think I'm gonna wait for now for that.
Daddy, look, there's something. Look.
Huh?
A tree?
Yeah, tree stuff.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna call this done, and we'll see how this all works out after this weekend. So we're gonna get a bunch of rain. So I think in this should work. If not, we can redo the ends. Or like I said, I can run this pipe through there all the way and it won't matter. I like the way it turned out. I had the pipe given to me, so I didn't go buy it. So it was just leftover from a job site. So I figured I'd put it to good use and fix one of the problems here. So now it's nice and smooth transition. It doesn't have a nice big dip in there. So now the kids could go faster down this hill with their go-kart, full speed, and not hit the big bump. We just had some rain and it stopped. The sun's out. I'll show you the bees. The bees are going crazy and I gotta get into them because this here is looking crazy. I don't know, I'm not sure how much honey we're gonna get this year because I already had a bunch of honeysuckle, and we had a frost and that was the end of that. So, and actually, well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Have a good evening. See you later. Bye.